So one of the biggest things that I've realized is a space of healing for myself, for others, is organization. I've been the child that's been moving my parents' furniture around for most of my young life. I didn't really think too much about it until I got a space of my own, moving things in this very modular way, and how much the lack of space that I did have for a period of my life had affected me. And I'm so much more grateful for having space in this newfound way. I think that we have a lot of opportunities to maximize what we have. Touching base with our things and our objects can save the earth in a lot of ways. When I started to thoroughly investigate my own relationship to consumption and my own relationship to organization, I started to figure out this bigger picture. I think organization is a practice, it's a spiritual practice, and I think that it's something that is a space of empowerment. And I want to share that with all of you, because I think that the more organized that you are, the more organized we are, the more powerful we are. So some of the ways that I'm able to show up for you in your creative journey is, number one, as a physical organizer. I am available to help you organize your apartment, your room, artist studios, closets, storage units, archives, digital spaces, digital archives, kitchens. Your estate is important, and I don't think that because we have little that we shouldn't be treating it like it's a lot. And I think that by touching and acknowledging the importance of everything down to the smallest thing, we're actually inviting abundance into our lives in that space of appreciation. Really great at cleansing energy. I'm really great at shifting energy. Things hold energy, and that sometimes we just need a little bit of support to help us move that around so that we can continue on with our lives and our endeavors. So the second way that I'm able to show up for you all is as a communication support. I am here to help you with those emails that are hard to answer, how to respond, whether it's interpersonally or within a creative project. The third way I'm able to show up is as a digital doula. I am a person who is able to help people who are having a challenging time coming into relation with their devices or with certain applications or with any tech-oriented aspirations that may feel daunting or confusing, and you have an elder in your life that wants to be more tech savvy, and you're looking for somebody that has a lot of patience for that, like I'm your person, because I already provide that service in my own community to help you with bringing an idea to fruition in the least complicated way possible. Proof of concept is so important. So the fourth way that I'm able to show up is through design and illustration. I am an illustrator. If you're looking for any, to commission any of that work for me, I am available. I'm also available for deck design. So the fifth thing is within wardrobe wear, fashion, and style. I actually don't believe you need a stylist. I am the stylist that wants you to actually have your own sense of style. You got it. I'm offering community courses through critical fashion theory. I'll be facilitating this community conversation around these areas of aesthetic, identity, and performance-driven economies. So you can participate there in a community way. It's all about finding your voice. It's all about understanding the industry. It's all about understanding the difference between fashion, costume, style, and apparel. Because I want you to understand how malleable that space is and how malleable it can be for you. With my expertise, will create more empowerment for anybody with any body. I'm here to support you feeling really good about yourself. I'm here to support functionality. I'm here to support utility. I'm here to support ecologically sound choices, and editing and inventory. I think that true style is always a space of development. It's not something that you can just buy. It's a space of training, and it's an aesthetic space of training and understanding, and I'm here to help with that. Also, I'm here to help people who have archives and collections and valuables that are looking for support in managing those things and monetizing them, also in organizing them. How we can start is there's a Calendly link right here, and all you have to do is set up a consultation with me. Let's talk and see if we're even aligned, right? But yeah, thank you, and looking forward to this new journey in intimately supporting people that I care about and love, and creatives. It's like my dream.